Hello, Fumi Nation. How are you? Do we love the sexy? Why not? Why not? I am loving my 50 sisters that are showing up. We've got so much time ahead of us. Life is just beginning. Yes, it is. Welcome to those of you that are stopping by for the very first time. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. Happy Monday. Welcome, darling, to positivity, fun, laughter, and just chilling back and being fabulous at all times. Yes, why not? Life is too short. Do we love the eyes? JUVIAS, please. JUVIAS, please, pencil. I really sincerely did not know where I was going with the makeup story today. I just thought, let me just see what I'm working with. And remember, I have said I am no longer doing Instagram makeup. No, just not doing it. I'm going to do realistic, relatable makeup. And that's it. Yeah. So I came up with this, just a touch of blue. You know, very club life. Can you imagine us going, kicking it to the club? Oh, guys, I cannot tell you how I look forward to us having a meet and greet. And I want to do a meet and greet in a club where we just hang out. And I go from table to table. I'm like, hi, I'm Fumi. How are you? Lovely to meet you at long last. Talking about club vibes, we are doing what? Ponytail. A high top ponytail. How I get my ponytail. And this is one of the most versatile hairstyles. It's the easiest. You can wear it everywhere at any time and you are going to look sharp. There are hundreds of ways of having a ponytail, and you guys have always complimented me on how I put my ponytail up, and I wanted to show you how you get that high ponytail, gorgeous high ponytail, that beautiful ponytail that you can swish swash and doesn't come into your face and all of that. The fabulosity. The fabulosity. It's how I put up my high top invisible ponytail. So sit back, relax, take notes if you have to. Leave notes for me if I need them. And enjoy. All right, my darlings, I live for you. Mwah. All right, my darlings, let us get into it. My hair is a little damp because I didn't put my shower cap on this morning. I was rushing. I tell you a trick. Right away, where is this? This L'Oreal Magic Retouch. Fabulous. Fabulous. I have them all over the house. Look at them. By L'Oreal. And what I do, I'm sure you've seen it many a time before. You can take it and you can just touch up on your edges here. That's what I do. Do you see? They're not bad, but I just like to have it really nice and filled in. So I do this before I brush the hair so that it looks much more natural. Do you see? Then I just brush it in like that and it looks much better. I brush it in here and it looks much better. Okay? So ponytail diaries. The trick here is to put your ponytail at the highest point of your head. Yeah. So we're going to brush all of that up. Like so. Brush it all the way up. Let me turn it around for you so you can see all the way up. I go all the way up because you want that ponytail to be on the highest tops of your head. That's how you get it done. Yep, you do. Alrighty, so let me just do that. We want it right there. Right here is where we want the ponytail so that it can cascade down. So I am going to now take a scrunchie. I love these because they are not that aggressive to my hair. And so I'm just going to put that into a knot. Okay, maybe I should go down a little lower. Sometimes being tall can be to a disadvantage. I hated being tall when I was in high school because I was taller than all the boys that I wanted to date. All right, so we have that. And then what I do, I love it. Bedhead by TG. I go all around, especially the back. So let me turn it around for you. So I take the bedhead. It's a fantastic wax. And it just gets all of that in there. Okay. It just really makes it nice and smooth. I hope it's making it smooth because I can't see it. Only you guys. Okay, there. And then I do it again on the sides. And then I do it on the sides too. There we go. See, my darlings, nice, silky, gorgeous. I live for it. And that's my prep. That is my prep for my ponytail. Okay, so we're ready. We're ready for the tea. This is my ponytail. Love it. Back in the day, my weave would be where it was a bundle, and I would just wrap it around my hair, and it was so tight. I could tolerate it for 5 hours max before it started giving me headlight vibes. Then I found this, where you could have like a little clip. You could clip it in, and then you have the drawstring. I love the drawstring because you pull it, and that's all that you need. So when you go to the beauty supply store, ask them for a ponytail that's ready-made. It's the best. It's easy. I tell you, it is the same as wearing a wig as opposed to sewing in strips of weave. That's the difference of you getting an entire bundle and wrapping it around and around your hair that is healthy, strong. Over time, it will weaken because you have it wrapped that tight. It's like choking. It's like choking the hair. All right. Okay. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna flip it right on. Let me just go dig down. Flip it right on. Then remember I told you we have the drawstring here. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna pull that right in so that it's tight. Let me go to the side so that you can see. That's the best. Yeah. And then with the drawstring, you just wrap that around. Hold it there and just leave it there. Okay, that's what I do. Then now I take a chunk of the hair, preferably from the back, like so. Yes. There we go. And I wrap that around my ponytail. Okay. And I try to heighten it a little bit to give it that extra lift. Can you see? There you go. Can you see? Then, are you going to the club? No, I wish I was. I take bobby pins, right? Short ones. The high ponytail here, and then you have that little bit there, and I take clips and I just clip that around. All right. Then you take any hairspray, and what I do, I just spray it a little bit there just to give it that extra, you know, that's it. And swing it to this side so you can see. There you go, hold it, and it just, there you go. And that works. And there you have it, guys. As simple as that. It's the highness for me. I just wrap it around so you have that invisible tail, and it just works. And that, my darlings, is what gives it that sexy. And it's just one of the most versatile styles ever. And I just love the high top of it. Very clean, very seamless, very timeless. it just works every single time. So we are going to go on to the next style, which you guys love, and that's my beautiful wig. I'm going to show you how I make the wig, flip it and everything. But yes, darlings, this is it. It really is that simple. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Monday, my darlings. It's a public holiday here in London, so we're going to have fun. Yes, I will see you very soon, my darlings. I hope you loved the episode. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment. Tell me how you do your high top invisible ponytail, because I love learning from you. All right, I love you guys. You take care. Mwah.